Nucypher is an organization that spotlights on giving information security and protection to their clients. The organization especially has previously seen outcome in its truly short presence and basically looks ready to go on with its development later on, or so they thought. The venture empowers clients to have commonly full command over their information while imparting it to others in a protected and confidential manner, which in a real sense is very huge. Nucypher can likewise be utilized to fabricate decentralized applications that really are significantly more secure and private than those based on the Ethereum public blockchain. Nucypher's group generally continues to deliver new updates and acquainting imaginative thoughts with the venture. So it's no big surprise numerous brokers as far as expectations and intentions are anxious to be aware now what its future value and its potential kind of greatest cost will be, which certainly is very critical. How about we attempt to see if we will basically see the Nucypher value drop or ascend sooner rather than later in our Nucypher conjecture. What generally is the Nucypher digital currency? Nucypher, in every practical sense, is a very decentralized, most certainly key administration framework that gives information security and protection. The organization was established in 2017 by Lane Wilkeson, Michael Igorov, and Alexander Bezopasny. Nucypher has brought $13 million up in financing from financial backers, extremely like Finbushi Capital, Polychain Capital, and Metastable Capital, or so they thought. The Nucypher network comprises of 3 sections. Umbrel, a kind of key administration framework that permits clients to scramble and decode information with the assistance of intermediary re-encryption in a genuinely huge manner. Hubs, servers that for the most part run the Nucypher programming and generally create keys for the Umbrel framework. Intermediary re-encryption keys that are utilized to encode and unscramble information in the pretty Umbrel framework, which is genuinely critical. Nucypher's principal use case is information security. The organization gives a way to associations to share information without uncovering the basic information, which is genuinely critical. Nucypher additionally by and large offers information security as the keys used to encode and decode information explicitly are put away on the Nucypher organization, which is genuinely critical. Long-haul new value forecast, or so they explicitly thought. It's difficult to make long-haul cost expectations for digital currencies that haven't broken into the standard yet in an unobtrusive manner. While certain ventures, as Nucypher, certainly have a ton going in support of themselves, fundamentally numerous things can likewise explicitly turn out badly and in every way that really matters, significant way. Thus, we can truly make surmises about Nu's greatest and normal costs temporarily. Generally speaking, Nucypher truly has obvious objectives and a guide to accomplish them in an unobtrusive manner for the most part. Dissimilar to pretty numerous really other comparatively creative crypto projects, it additionally certainly has support both from its local area and establishments like investors. These sort of are 2 out of 2 significant attributes any cryptographic money organization in every way that really matters, necessities to succeed. So we'd say Nucypher appears to be doing great by and large. In any case, as we generally say, the truth will come out eventually the way that this venture will especially act from here on out. You ought to constantly work out alert while putting resources into digital forms of money in an unobtrusive manner. Nucypher specialized examination, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. There generally are a great deal of Nucypher's cost forecasts out there, including our own, however not a single one of them will explicitly be finished without some far-reaching specialized examination in an unpretentious manner. You can for the most part track down the consequence of TradingView's examination of the new token beneath, refreshed progressively. Nucypher Value Expectation 2023, in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. After the examination of the costs of Nucypher in earlier years, it in a real sense is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Nucypher will be around 27 cents, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The greatest expected new cost may especially be around 32 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost could sort of be 27 cents in 2023, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nucypher Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Nucypher in 2024, Nu is supposed to have the accompanying least and really greatest costs, about 38 cents and 46 cents, separately, which is very huge basically. The typical expected exchanging cost for the most part is 39 cents, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nucypher Value Expectation 2025 in an unpretentious manner. The specialists in the field of digital money by and large have broke down the costs of Nucypher and their changes during the earlier years, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. It generally is expected that in 2025, the base new cost could drop to 55 cents, while its greatest can in a real sense reach 66 cents amazingly. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 56 cents. Nucypher Value Forecast 2026 in an unobtrusive manner. In view of the examination of the expenses of Nucypher by crypto specialists, the accompanying sort of most extreme and really least new costs by and large are normal in 2026, 98 cents and 81 cents. By and large, it will for the most part be exchanged at 83 cents. Nucypher Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Nucypher in a significant manner. In light of their forecasts, the assessed especially normal new cost will be around $1.19. It could drop to a really least of $1.16. Yet it actually could in a real sense reach $1.44 all through 2027, which generally is genuinely huge. Nucypher Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan figures at the cost of Nucypher as opposed to prevalent thinking. It sort of is assessed that Nu will sort of be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.64 and $2.01 in 2028, or so they really thought. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.70 during the year. Nucypher Value Forecast 2029. Digital money examiners are prepared to, in every way that really matters, declare their assessments of Nucypher's cost. The year 2029 will not set in stone by the truly greatest new cost of $2.92. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $2.46. In this way, the normal, certainly normal exchanging cost generally is $2.54, which is very critical. Nucypher Value Expectation 2030. In opposition to mainstream thinking. Following quite a while of examination of the Nucypher cost, crypto specialists are prepared to explicitly give their new cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like $3.49, with the especially conceivable really greatest tops at $4.19. Overall, you can sort of anticipate that the new cost should be around $3.62 in 2030. Nucypher Value Expectation 2031. Digital money examiners are in every practical sense prepared to report their assessments of Nucypher's cost. The year 2031 not set in stone by the very most extreme new cost of $6.16. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $5.24. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost for the most part is $5.42, or so they thought. Is Nucypher based on Ethereum? Indeed, Nucypher most certainly was based on Ethereum, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Nucypher a wise venture for the kind of long haul? The task has a reasonable objective and an aggressive group behind it. It likewise appears to have kind of strong help from retail and institutional financial backers, the same amazingly as a matter of fact. Be that as it may, you ought to do sort of your own examination prior to making up certainly your psyche, regardless of whether it's a good expansion to especially your portfolio. What is the utilization instance of Nucypher? The primary use instance of Nucypher generally is to give a decentralized, especially key administration framework for applications based on Ethereum. For what reason is Nucypher in every practical sense wise venture? Nucypher can in every practical